Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, that long. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned. Today, instead of prepping for Christmas, we're gonna be making HOSTESS gifts, DIYs, so you can go with your hands full to the house of whoever is hosting Christmas this year. So let's jump into those quick and easy DIYs that you can make in these 2 days before Christmas. DIY number 1, and we're gonna take these glasses that I got from a local dollar store, but you can get them from Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my Mod Podge and I'm gonna apply a thick coat with my sprinkles from Amazon. Let me just apply that thick coat of Mod Podge all around it like this. Then I'm gonna grab those beautiful sprinkles I got from Amazon. You will find the link of my Amazon front store in the description box down below. And as you can see, I'm just grabbing those sprinkles and sprinkle them on the inside of the glass. Then I'm gonna let it dry, and as you can see here, we can see it is dried. And after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this beautiful paint that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think my brother just sent them to me and I just love them. I think they are from Hobby Lobby. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some of that paint on the inside of my glass like that. Then I'm gonna apply the other one that has some butterflies and some cute thingies like flowers and all of that. And I'm gonna apply it as well on the inside of the glass. Then I'm gonna let that dry really well for 24 hours. As you can see, we have it dry over here and it is looking so cute. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this beautiful pink, and this is like pale pink. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start painting the inside of the glass just like this. And I'm gonna go all around it. If the glass is not dry, you will see that I had to do something else because mine wasn't dry. So as it wasn't, I took some lightweight spackling and I added it to the inside of the glass to make sure that you cannot see what I'm going to add to the inside of that glass. So I'm just going to spread it all around like that. And I'm going to take a cardboard tube like this one, and I'm going to glue it to the bottom of the glass just like this with a little bit of hot glue. Then I'm going to take this cardboard circle as well, and I'm going to glue it to that tube. And then I'm going to take half of a foam ball, and I'm going to cut it with the oldest knife in the book. And I'm going to glue it to the top. Then I'm going to take my lightweight spackling. Just make sure that you're using lightweight spackling. You can find it at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take this bowl that I have and a popsicle stick and my beautiful pink color in seashell pink. Then I'm going to take some of that spackling. I'm going to add it to the bowl, add a little bit of that paint like this, and then I'm going to mix them together really, really well like that. When I have them mixed, I'm going to add them to my piping bag, and I have my 1M tip over there, and I'm just going to fill it like that. Then I'm just going to make sure that it is there, and then I'm going to start adding the frosting to my glasses. Then I'm going to add a couple of sprinkles on the top of that icing, and look at that, it is looking so cute. After I finish with that, I'm going to take one of these beads from Dollar Tree and I'm going to add it to the top in one of these beautiful straws. And here you can see them, and they are looking so beautiful. They are like a milkshake or maybe a parfait, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This part of the video is sponsored by Manta Sleep. I have their mask and I have been using it for a couple of months and I love it. Are you worried of those sleepless nights thinking about the crafts you want to make? Worry no more. Manta Sleep is the way to sleep better and live more. I work to improve and optimize sleep so you have the energy to create your best life. I have the Manta Sleep mask, and she provides you with 100% blackout for deeper sleep, and it's adjustable so you can find your perfect fit, and it is breathable. It's durable, and it adds zero pressure to your eyelashes or eyelids. She's perfect for those naps in between crafts. We have a variety of masks to fit your needs. Now go back to sleep or get that much needed nap because Manta makes you sleep better anywhere, anytime. Thank you, Manta Sleep, for sponsoring this part of the video. Go and check them out. The link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get 10% off your order with my coupon code Kiki10. This holiday season, give everyone the gift of good sleep. DIY number 2, and for this one we're gonna grab another one of these beautiful glasses from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use cinnamon brown paint. You can get this one in any color you want, but make sure that it is dark brown. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle some of that all around the glass like this to make it look like cinnamon. This is what we want. We want it to make it look like cinnamon. After I did that, I let it dry, and I'm gonna take some tan paint or some beige paint, and I'm gonna paint the inside of the glass just like this. And as you can see, we have some cinnamon. It is looking like eggnog or coquito in Puerto Rico. Now I'm gonna take another cardboard tube, and I'm gonna add some of that hot glue to the bottom, glue it on the inside, glue the circle on the top like this, making sure that it goes a little bit lower than the rim of the glass like that. Then I'm gonna take an old grater like the knife that we used and I'm gonna take a candle, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grate some of this candle just like this. Let me show you. Here you can see it, and it looks like coconut. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add hot glue, and I messed this up a little bit. Use another type of glue because it's wax and it will melt a little bit. But I made it work. Look at that. Looking cute. Now I'm gonna take some spackling, lightweight spackling again, and I'm gonna take a bowl and I'm gonna add some of that spackling on that bowl like that. Let me just add a little bit more. Then I'm gonna take my tan paint. Let me show you. Here you can see it. And I'm gonna mix them together like this. I'm gonna add a little bit of water because we want this to be a little bit on the runny side, so it looks like the froth that the coquito or eggnog has. Let me just mix it really well like this. And after it is mixed, we're gonna pour it on our glass just like this. Just shake it a little bit so all of those air bubbles come to the top. And after that, I'm gonna take some cinnamon sticks and I'm gonna add them to the top. And I lost the footage for the next part, but I'm gonna show you what I did. So let me just add them like that. Let me just cut them in half. And as you can see, I added 2 of those, or well, 2 halves. Some star anise and some cloves and a little bit of this pumpkin spice to the top. And look at that. Let me show you. And here you can see it, and this one looks beautiful. It looks like a glass of eggnog, but I want to know what you think. So let me know in the comments below because yeah, I'm biased. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to all of my social media so you can go and check me out over there. DIY number 3, and for this one we're gonna take this cute thingies that I got from a local thrift store, and I'm gonna grab my cinnamon brown, but I tried to do this and it didn't work, so I took my spray paint in copper and I'm gonna spray paint them in copper after that paint dried. After I had them paint in copper, we're gonna repeat that with the brown paint. I'm gonna take my brown paint and we're gonna start painting some swirls to the bottom like this. To make it look cute, let me just go all around it like that. And I'm gonna go all around in the top as well. As you can see here, now you can see it, and now we are gonna let it dry. Then I'm gonna take this beautiful seashell pink and I'm gonna paint that middle part. Let me just grab some of this and start painting. It will need a couple of coats just to make sure that it is pink and beautiful. Now you can see it, and I gave it 2 coats and it is looking so cute. Now let me just add this piece of cardboard to the top so we can decorate it like this. And now I'm gonna take some of this puffy paint in red. Let me just clean the nozzle out. And we're gonna start making sprinkles with this beautiful puffy paint. And look at that, it is looking so cute. Let me just finish with this, then we're gonna let it dry. And then we're gonna take our Mod Podge, and this is the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I'm gonna give it a good coat of that so it can be cleaned. So I'm just gonna go all around it like that. Then I'm gonna grab my piping bag with my pink frosting that you saw me make, and here you can see it. Now I'm gonna take this chocolates that you will find the link in the description box down below that I made this year in February, I think. I'm gonna use as well one of these candy canes from Dollar Tree, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it using my mightier shears like that. So we have 2 pieces. Let me just add one of them here and one of those chocolates. And look at that, they are looking so cute. But I wanna know what you think about this parfait because, yeah, I think this one looks even better than the first one. So let me know what you think. DIY number 4, and for this one we're gonna take one bottle, and this one says Merry Christmas or Feliz Navidad. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my almond spray paint from Crayon, and I'm just gonna cover it completely, just spray paint it really well. But first I just wanna make sure that I'm not painting that top part of the bottle. So I'm gonna cover it with some of that masking tape, and here you can see it, but we're not gonna leave it like this. So I'm gonna take my tan paint and we're gonna paint it completely, just one coat to make sure that it looks really real, just like eggnog. Now I'm gonna take my cinnamon brown and I'm just gonna start with the toothbrush, making those speckles like that, just making sure that we have a little bit of paint over here and there. Look at that, looking so cute. And now you can see it. It is looking beautiful. Let me just clean up the top part. And after that, I'm going to take my, again, dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And I'm going to give it a good coat on top of all of that paint so it can be cleaned and it can last a little bit longer. Now I'm going to take this beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to wrap some of that around it like this with a little bit of hot glue, just like this. Let me just cut the excess and fold it over and add more hot glue over here like that, and it is looking cute already. Now I'm going to take some of this burlap. You can find burlap at Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to measure 2 pieces so I can cover the top. And I'm just gonna wrap that, or put the cap on, and I'm gonna wrap that burlap around it like that. After that, I'm gonna bring some of this baker's twine and I'm just gonna wrap it around it just to tie that burlap around it like that. After that, I'm gonna make 2 knots just like this. Then I'm gonna flip it over so we can start decorating. Let me just cut the excess like that. Now I'm going to take some of these cute pine cones from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to glue them like this. And then I'm going to take these beautiful berries that I think came from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to glue them like this. It is looking so cute. But now we're going to make something else for the top. And what we're going to make is we're going to make a bow using the same ribbon from Dollar Tree. I'm going to make my hot glue bow. Here you can see how I do it. A little bit of hot glue here and there, pinch it like that, then add some twine, and I'm using the baker's twine over here. Wrap it really tight, 2 knots, cut the excess, and add some leggies. And I'm gonna dovetail those leggies like that. Then I'm just gonna pinch them to the top, add some hot glue over here, like this, and then I'm gonna take some of that beautiful berry garland that Dollar Tree has, and I'm just gonna make springy thingies. And I made 2 springy thingies with them like that. I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm still sick. And I'm just going to glue them like this with a little bit of hot glue. Then I'm going to glue my bow on top. And that's it. Look at that. Here you can see it. And this one is looking so beautiful. It looks like a bottle of eggnog, or coquito as we call it over here. Let me know what you think. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get a shout out in my channel. Now it's time for the final reveal, and here you can see all of them together once more. And they are looking so cute. They are perfect as a gift for someone that has everything and doesn't need you to bring food or anything for that Christmas dinner. They are just perfect because they can decorate their kitchen with them. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, check out Manta Sleep, because over there you will find the perfect mask for your good night or nap sleep in between your crafting. Remember, this year is coming to an end, and I will have one more video before I take some vacation. And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Remember, let me know in the comments below what you think about all of this, because I love them. And share this video with a friend, because that's a free way to help this girl out. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.